Hey my beautiful friend! Today I'm bursting with excitement to share with you a game-changing product that will give your skin the ultimate glow up. Get ready to meet our Vitamin C Glow Max Bright Mask. This little gem is a game changer for your complexion. It's packed with vitamin C along with the age-correcting bakuchi oil, coenzyme Q10, vitamin E, and a bunch of other glow-enhancing nutrients. Seriously, it's like a vitamin cocktail but for your skin. It works its magic to drastically brighten your skin, giving you that lit from within radiance. And that's not all. It also boosts collagen production, increases elasticity, and firms up your skin. But wait, there's more. This mask is a moisture powerhouse. It deeply moistures and softens your skin. Now let me walk you through the simple steps of using this Vitamin C Glow Max Bright Mask. First, cleanse your skin to create a fresh canvas. Then, generously spread the mask all over your face, avoiding the immediate eye area. Take a moment to breathe in that invigorating citrus scent. It's so refreshing. Next, rinse off the mask with warm water and gentle circular motions. Feel the creamy texture gliding across your skin as it washes away impurities and reveals your newfound radiance. You can use it from 2 to 7 times a week, depending on your skin's needs. And here's a little secret for you. If you want an extra boost, leave the mask on overnight. Just make sure to protect your pillowcase to avoid any staining. Wake up with a fresh face glow, like you just had the most rejuvenating beauty sleep. Your skin will thank you as it becomes healthier, more vibrant, and positively radiant. It's like a mini spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. So, my lovely friend, if you're ready to achieve that enviable glow, boost collagen, and turn back the clock on your skin, the Vitamin C Glow Max Bright Mask is an absolute must-have. If you have any questions, or if you've already tried this mask, I want to hear all about your experiences. And hey, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for more fabulous skincare tips. Take care, stay radiant, and keep on shining. Love you, gorgeous. Catch you on the next video.